One of the problem areas in the beauty of your face is your eyes and your under eye area. So your under eye area can sometimes show how tired and how your age sometimes your tiredness, your fatigue, and your aging appears here, right around your eye. Listen, your eyes are very important structures. Your eyes are parts of your brain that are situated outside. So this is your brain staring into the world. So what ends up happening is that sometimes aging appears very rapidly around this area. This is how Botox was actually originally found too. What they found was that by using this medication, by injecting, the skin started appearing younger because there were no more wrinkles, because the muscle just relaxed and smoothed out a bit, because this medication, it knocks out the acetylcholine receptors that scrunch the muscle. So as it knocks out those receptors, the muscle cannot scrunch it that much. So when the ophthalmologist, noticed the anti-aging impact, that's when it originally started getting used as an off-label use. Beauty became an off-label use of Botox, just to rejuvenate the skin in that area. So the people say, like, how come relaxing the muscle rejuvenates skin? Because sometimes the scrunch that you are experiencing, you're creating in your skin just as you go through life, and as you go through your own or external or internal emotions, what ends up happening is that it also disrupts the lymphatics and the inner padding of the skin and the blood flow, blood supply to the skin. So as the muscle is relaxed, the skin just is able to regenerate and rejuvenate itself faster. So you can experience very quick anti-aging impact into the area wherever the Botox is injected. So usually people ask me, like, is it instantaneous? No, it's not. So when you come to me, we basically inject the toxin in various parts of your muscles, which we think should relax a little bit so that you appear, connecting yourself to an earlier version of yourself. That's how I like to put it. So as we do it, that particular day, you're not going to receive any benefits. So the Botox takes 4 to 5 days to knock out the receptors around the area wherever it has been injected, and within 4 to 5 days it's out of your system. It's gone. It's gonzo. It's like it's sharpshooting those acetylcholine receptors, and it's out of your system. That's why it is one of those medications that can be used even if you're planning to be pregnant, because you can do this while you're having your period. And by the time you're finished with your period and your ovary has started preparing the new egg for fertilization, you can actually go in and do a toxin treatment.